Okay, yeah, I got this door finished and painted today.
That looks really nice.
I had to make a frame first of all. Just did this wing nut though.
Okay.
I have to
Wow.
make this frame first, eh?
Yeah.
Because and I don't want to cut this because it'll weaken the whole frame here.
Yeah.
They need this to put oil in and to check the dipstick. So then once I got the frame made, then I made another frame with those kind of hinges that we're using.
Yeah. The grease type hinges.
Yep. And the nice part of this is it tips right up
Yeah.
and they can go and do their thing in here. And then it locks here. And you're good to go. And I put new fan belts on. I had to take off all the braces and whatnot to get the, because the alternator won't come back enough, but I got the fan belts on.
Okay.
And this new switch is rewired, so I have to get one of you guys to hold it, and I'm gonna put some screws in there, and then that's done. Eh?
Okay. So actually quite a bit done here today, or in the last couple of days.
That's just today. There's nothing done yesterday. Took yesterday off. So if I can get one of you guys to hold this into place from the other
Okay, I'll have
side.
to get on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the new switch.
I get in a certain position here.
Okay.
Let me have a look. I can't just put bolts in there. It's got to be just right. No, you can hold it really tight there.
Okay.
Press hard.
Yeah, pressing hard.
Yeah, what's that hole?
Yeah, you're right there.
Right there. I'll put one more in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now that's off here.
Yeah.
This is the old switch was seized.
Well, looks like it's ready for the dustbin of history.
Okay,
So remind everybody, what's this switch for?
that's one battery or two batteries on
Right.
off,
Okay.
and then ignition is on here. So now I got that mounted. I can track down the wiring and for the lights up there. None of the lights work in the front. Eh?
Okay. But as you indicated before, the lights are all cut off.
Yeah. Well, they never been wired.
Okay. So
That's it. For
that's
today.
what Dad's been doing here, and a couple guys have mentioned they like seeing the airboats versus the bombardiers. Kyle Herman keeps threatening to come out, but we'll believe that when we see it. But Dad's enjoying actually being able to just work in an open space and keep following us more. This is going to be in here for probably
We're getting a special axle made for this too.
yeah.
It's got 3,500-pound axles, and what we're going, if you come over here, I'll explain. That axle I took out of there is 8 feet, 8 inches long, and this size of pipe is too weak for a single axle with that load. So what we're going to do is get a axle that's an inch bigger in diameter, and put these stubs on, and then it'll be able to take the weight.
So is this bent right now, or is this the new one?
This is a brand new one.
Okay.
And you can see how much.
Clearance you have?
No, they all have an arc in them when they're brand new. You see the clearance?
Yeah.
That's how much arc they have.
Okay.
But when they bend, then they go this way,
Okay.
and then the wheels dip in.
Yeah.
Get a custom-made tube and get her made.
Okay. Well, that's it.